Alright, friends, subscribers, internet strangers, what's up? So, looking through Brickseek, I know, bearded picker, what the hell are you doing looking for Brickseek after you just got back off an 8-day, almost 2,900 mile road trip? You don't even have the van unloaded? It's a freaking disease! Alright, so I know y'all want to see the beard. It's looking kind of a mess today. Sorry about that. So anyway, looking through Brickseek, found a couple cameras. There's a Sony camera that's $159, sells for $119, marked down to $30. This store has 3 of them. I can sell it new on Amazon. So yeah, there's that. They have 2 Nikon cameras that are $159, marked down to $40. They're selling for $110 on eBay. I can't sell that new on Amazon, so there's only one store in my area that's got them. Well, there's other stores that got them, but this is the one that's got both cameras and close enough to go get them. 44 miles, Winchester, Tennessee. I'm sitting here, I'm trying to think. BP, damn, you're tired. You can't even take one day off. Talked to my brother, he's like, oh hell, you might as well go get him. I'm like, damn it. All right, let's call Harlan. He's the voice of reason. Harlan's Resale Adventures. Check him out. Hey man, I'll ride with you. Damn it. All right, so Harlan and I are going to find cameras. So I know y'all wanted to come along. So we'll start this video off right here on the phone. Never fear, I grabbed both GoPros. I'm ready to go. I'll get Harlan to film, and I'll film, and then I'll play some kind of super editor from different positions. Look at me be a filmmaker. It's gonna be awesome. So yeah, there's that. That noise you hear in the back is the cooler. The cooler needs to pee because it's full of water, but yeah, we didn't get to that today. So I go inside to tell Joni, I'm like, Joni, I gotta go to Walmart. She says, ooh, can you bring me back some Outshine bars? That's her favorite frozen all juice bars. I'm like, not really. I said, they'll melt. She goes, what do you mean they'll melt? You're just going to Walmart. I looked at her, she said, I gave her that look, you know, that look like, she said, what damn Walmart are you going to? I'm like, oh, the one in Winchester, Tennessee. All right. It's good to see when you come up here. Neither one of the cameras are up here. Which one is it? There's a black Sony that looks like these. Canons. It says they had 3 of them. And the Nikon is white. That's a good thing I put them on the old shopping list for Brickseek. Now to find a only one to help. We got 1 out of 5. I don't know if that was worth the trip. Harlan's giving it the thumbs down. So yeah, we're gonna check out the clearance right now. If there's anything, I'll take pictures of anything we find, and if we find it, I'll tell you what it's worth. If not, we're gonna check out of here. Maybe we'll go to Walgreens and press our luck. All right, so BP's made it back home after getting 1 camera. Check your stores for it. It's a Nikon Coolpix W100. It's marked down to, that'll make a great cinematic effect. BP disappears. It's marked down to $40. It sells for 110 or so, 109 on eBay. Jacob will throw it up tomorrow. So in the end, who was right, who was wrong? Is this Walmart's fault, or that Brickseek taking the brunt of this? I would tell you that this is Walmart. This is a Walmart issue. The lady would, I asked her, could it be in the electronics lockup? And she's like, well, the little handheld said it's not in the lockup, so it couldn't be back there. So she wouldn't even go back there and look. So, chances are it could be the cameras could have been in the wrong place. They could have been in the electronics lockup. Somebody, You know, since they didn't have a display, they might have put them in the lockup and just not changed the inventory location. Might have happened. You know, an employee might have them in the back so that they're going to buy them themselves. These were expensive cameras marked down to $30 and $40. They could have been stolen. There's lots of things that could have happened, but I can tell you the one thing. Brickseek is scraping and reading Walmart's inventory that they report online as being accurate. And so the handheld said 3, and that's what Brickseek said. So they were in agreement when it's not in the store. So, you know, we didn't know a lot of this stuff until we started using Brickseek as us retail arbitragers looking for deals. So don't be quick to blame Brickseek. You know, when Walmart is the one that's... All right. So I hope you've enjoyed another adventure. I had fun with Harlan. We laughed, we joked, we strategized, we were disappointed, and we drove back. So, good times. Ooh, there goes a plane. I know y'all know I live by an airport. Looked like a jet or something just took off. So, I will catch you in the next video. Remember, keep hunting, keep hunting. If I wasn't so tired, I would have stayed and found more stuff at that Walmart. But you know, that little trip, I'm a little tired, so you see the bags. Catch you in the next one. Do the YouTube stuff. I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, check out Harlan. Good dude. He's making good videos. There's going to be a lot more content. We're going to do some live stuff on his channel after the yard sale, so y'all can look forward to that, seeing live hauls and some of his auctions live. So that stuff's coming up. So we will catch you on the flip side. Roll Tide. Oops. I'm trying to turn this off like a GoPro.